राज्यसभा MP सदानंद शेट तनावडे हांणी नॅशनल सस्टेनेबल कोस्टल ट्युरिझम फ्रेमवर्क तयार करपाचो उलो मारला, जातून गोंयाक पायलट स्टेट म्हणून प्रस्तावित केला। पार्लिमेंटान विशेष उल्लेख करताना तनावडे हांणी गोंयची दर्यादेग, कोस्टल इकोसिस्टम, वॉटर रिसोर्सेस, वॉटर मॅनेजमेंट, ट्रॅफिक आणि भौशीक साधनसुवादेचेर पर्यटनाचो वाडटो ताण हाचेर उजवाड घातलो। कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी असेसमेंट, बेटर वेस्ट अँड सीवेज मॅनेजमेंट, कोस्टल अँड मरायन कन्झर्वेशन, इको फ्रेंडली इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन आणि डिजिटल डेस्टिनेशन मॅनेजमेंट ह्या सारख्या उपायांचो प्रस्ताव ताणें मांडलो। ब्ल्यू इकॉनॉमीत तिगून उरपी लायव्हलीहूड्स आणि रिस्पॉन्सिबल ट्युरिझमाक आदार दिताना गोंयचो अणभव हेर दर्यादेगेवयल्या राज्याक आणि केंद्रशासित प्रदेशांक एक आदर्श दिवंक शकता अशें तनावडे हांणी सांगले।
माननीय सदस्य श्री सदानंद महालू शेट तानवडे।
Thank you, Deputy Chairman sir. My special mention subject is need for developing a national sustainable coastal tourism framework with Goa as the pilot state. I seek to draw attention of the government to the need for developing a national sustainable coastal tourism framework with Goa as the pilot state. Goa is one of the India's leading coastal tourism destination, attracting millions of domestic and international visitors every year. Tourism is the backbone of the state economy, generating employment and supporting thousands of families. However, the growing number of tourists has increased pressure on beaches, coastal ecosystems, water resources, waste management, traffic, and public infrastructure. Similar challenges are emerging across other coastal states and union territories of India. There is a need for a national framework that promotes sustainable tourism while protecting the environment and improving the quality of life of local communities. The framework should provide scientific guidelines for assessing the carrying capacity of tourist destination, strengthening waste and sewage management, conserving beaches and marine biodiversity, promoting eco-friendly tourism infrastructure, encouraging community participation, and adopting digital technologies for better destination management. Goa is well placed to serve as the pilot state due to its well-developed tourism sector, extensive coastline, and experience in tourism management. The best practices and policies models developed in Goa can subsequently be replicated across other coastal states and union territories. I therefore urge the government to formulate a national sustainable coastal tourism framework and implement it first in Goa. This initiative will help protect India's coastal environment, strengthen the blue economy, promote sustainable livelihoods, and position India as a global leader in responsible coastal tourism. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद माननीय सदानंद जी।
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर।